Yeah, what does gardening do for us? I mean, it gardening reconnects us to something real. It slows us down. It gets our hands in the soil. It reminds us that food doesn't start in a store. It starts with a seed. It gives people a sense of agency, especially in a world that sometimes can feel out of our control. Um, and when you grow a tomato or a handful of beans, you're participating in your own food security. And even if you're only into planting flowers, you're providing habitat for local pollinators, which helps them stay strong, healthy, and plentiful. You're, Even if you just plant flowers, you're still contributing to your food growing neighbors that way. It's building resilience on your doorstep or your patio or in your backyard. And honestly, gardening helps build community too. Gardeners share tips, they share harvests, stories with each other, and some of their experience. It's one of the simplest ways um, to bond with other people. Seed libraries are community powered collections of seeds that anyone can access for free. So you essentially borrow seeds and you grow them. And if you're able to, collect some seeds from those plants and return them to the seed library. It creates a circular system that helps keep local varieties alive, uh, plants acclimated to our specific local climate, in our circular system. It supports biodiversity and it makes gardening accessible to almost everyone, regardless of income, experience, or space. Yeah, Seed Library like ours is part education, part resource, and we are working to be a community hub. Um, it's an organization or a location for some seed libraries where knowledge, stories, and seeds all get passed forward. Yeah, why create one here? It's a good question. I think our region deserves food resilience. We're in a place with incredible gardeners, rich agricultural history, and people who genuinely care about our neighbors. But we also face real challenges like everywhere else in the country. There's rising food costs, there's supply chain disruptions, and a loss of local seed diversity. So uh, creating a seed library here strengthens our community and our ability to grow our own food, to preserve heirloom varieties and stay connected to the land. It's the kind of resource that makes sense here because it's built on the values that this area already has, which is generosity, self reliance, and community care. Yeah, so I want to make seeds accessible to everyone, to families, seniors, schools, beginners, experienced growers, anyone who wants to grow something. I want to build a network of gardeners who share knowledge and support each other. And I want to preserve local seed stories and pass them forward through the Story Garden Press and through our podcast. I want to bring mobile seed boxes to neighborhoods that don't have easy access to gardening resources or would struggle to travel to the main seed library. Um, I want to build free online courses and help build curriculum that can teach young and old people to grow plants and save seeds. Ultimately, I want to help the region become more food secure, more ecologically aware, and more connected through the simple act of gardening. Yeah, so why should the community support us? I mean, it's not just my project or the seed library's project. It's the community's seed library, and seed libraries work best when the community's involved. Um, yeah, supporting us means supporting local food security, supporting local education, biodiversity. It makes us all more resilient, and it means giving families access to fresh food. A lot of gardeners here donate food to food pantries. It means preserving heirloom seeds that otherwise might disappear. It means investing in something that strengthens our entire region, not just the gardeners. And when you help the seed library, you're helping to build a resource that hopefully will outlast us all. Something that could be a living, growing legacy for our communities. The best way the community can help: donate your seeds, whether it's leftover seeds from packets you purchased or it's seeds you can collect from your plants. The more seeds you donate, the more diversity of seeds we have, and the more we can share it with the community. Really, seeds are the heart of what we do. We also need financial donations. We need to cover packaging materials. We need to cover storage, keep our web hosting and online presence up, as well as marketing materials, collaterals, event fees. We do have some expenses, but we run a tight ship. We're an all-volunteer organization, so none of us take a salary. And yeah, every dollar you donate goes right back into the community and right back into the infrastructure we need to try to support the best we can. We also need your stories. We want to hear your stories about your gardens, about your knowledge, your tips, your experience, and we want to share that with the community and be sort of a knowledge hub for gardeners to help people get started, or even show experienced people new ways of doing things they might not have thought about. Yeah, I mean, we look for volunteers to help package seeds, to help grow certain plants that we need for seed, and to help with events and things like that. Really, if you want to help and you're not sure how you can help, just reach out. We'd love to meet you, and we can kind of discuss, the best way that you can help us support the community. And the donation information for us, for seeds, for financial donations, even for material donations, can all be found on our website. It's bloomseedlibrary.org, or reach out to us on social media.